Back to the 6.5 notes, trigonometric functions of general angles. We are on page 5. So more examples with reference angles. Okay. 895. So let's see. I can get my bearings here. I know that 360 is once around, so 720 is twice around my circle. So my 895, there's 360, 720, and then I got an extra 175, so I know I'm just shy of my 180. My reference angle here is the difference between that 180 and 175. My reference angle here is 5 degrees. F, I've got negative 7 pi over 3. We can do a little bit of what we did before, figure out where this is landing. I'm going to add 2 pi back. I get negative 1 pi over 3. So from here, don't like going that way. There's my negative 6 pi over 3. One more, negative pi over 3. So to find my reference angle, how far away I am from the x-axis, I have a reference angle of pi over 3. When we talk about the reference angles, there is no positive or negative. It doesn't matter if I am above the x-axis or below, it's still a positive reference angle. So 290 degrees. We are going to go, there's my 270, there's me roughly 290. Let me remind you that our reference angle has to be made with the x-axis. A lot of people are going to look at this and say, ooh, look, I'm so close to the y. No. Okay, so reference angle always has to be made with the x-axis. Right now I want to figure out how far away I am from 360. I get a reference angle of 70 degrees. For H, we are traveling in the negative direction. I got negative 160, so I'm not quite making it all the way halfway around to negative 180. To figure out that reference angle, though, I know that both sides here are 180 degrees. So if I go 180 minus that 160 that I've already traveled, I get a reference angle here of 20 degrees. Back to using radian measures. 2 pi over 3, well, there's 1 pi over 3, 2 pi over 3. I know that to get to 1 pi, that would be 3 pi over 3. And I'm going to subtract the 2 pi over 3 I've already traveled, which leaves me with pi over 3 right here. And our last one here, let's see, not a straight line. 1 pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, 4 pi, 5 pi. Remember that our reference angle has to be acute, so it has to be between 0 and 90. And since this is a quadrantal angle, I have no reference angle. And there we go, page 5.